have question number 3, second part of exercise 1.3. Prove that 7 root 5 is irrational. For proving this, we will take 7 root 5 as a rational number. Which means we will assume contrary that 7 root 5 is a rational number. If 7 root 5 is rational number, then it can be written in form of a by b or p by q can say. Here b is not equal to 0. A and b are co-prime numbers. A and b are co-primes. Co-prime numbers are the numbers having only one as a common factor. Okay. Now rearrange this equation. Root 5 is equal to a by 7b, and this is also in form of p by q. A by 7b is in form of p by q, then it is a rational number. It is rational, but we proved that root 5 is irrational. But we know root 5 is irrational, so a contradiction arises, and this contradiction is arising because of our wrong assumption that 7 root 5 is rational. This contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect or wrong assumption that 7 root 5 is rational. So we conclude that 7 root 5 is irrational. And this is what we have to prove. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.